Hi! Welcome to another vlog!
Wow! Vlogger!
So, I have a guest again, Andrea. So today, we're going to Costco! Wow! Wow. Going shopping. Later, papakita ko na lang yung price. Kasi ang kinuha ko lang, standard. Hindi yung VIP. So, pasok na kami. Pakita namin sa inyo mamaya yung mga bibili. Excited na ako. Yay, nakapasok na tayo sa Costco.
Yan!
Hi ka naman!
Hi!
So, yan.
Ito yung mga shopping na. Ito ay Oral-B. Toothpaste.
Pero may pinanood kami sa Netflix nito, usually pag 0.79.
Anong 0.79?
Pag 0.79, naka-sale daw yun.
Ah, talaga?
Oo.
Hindi ko alam.
So, ito yung Costco. So, Costco originated from US. So, yan.
Wholesale siya. Para siyang counterpart in the Philippines is like SNR, Landers. Ano pa nga yung isa? SNR, Landers.
Macro.
No, Macro.
Tita Macro.
Tita Macro. So, wholesale groceries siya. Wholesale. Kung may mga businesses ka, or you have like big families, ayan. Mas prefer dito. Maganda bumili dito.
Maganda bumili dito.
Though, may mga prices sila na pag kinompute mo, if you're like regularly buying groceries from Sainsbury's or Tesco, then you know what to get, like the good deals.
Pero pro tip lang guys. So maybe research before you come here because usually compare the prices. You need to compare the prices.
Compare the prices because sometimes you think it's cheaper here, but if you compute per item outside, it's not really like cheap.
Excited namin mag-shopping, so pause muna namin yung video. Mag-focus muna kami. Pakita namin mamaya yung Costco haul namin. Pero ito muna yung una kong binili.
Toothpaste.
Kasi sa dito guys, kasi isang toothpaste, parang 7 pounds.
Hindi 7.
Oo, 7 pounds.
7 pounds?
Sensodyne. So ito, ano lang siya, ano magkano? 17? 14.
17 siya.
17.98 pero mega na siya. Tapos 6-pack na siya. So mamaya pakita namin sa inyo yung binili namin. Tapos tip lang dito guys. If you want to go back, they always changing yung pwesto. Oh, so akala nyo, ay pupunta nyo last month. Ay, nandito lang yun. Iniiba nila para tactics nila yan eh, no? Galing nga. Grocery tactics.
Even in like normal Tesco, Sainsbury's, or even sa SM nga sa Pinas, they always change the placement ng mga items. Kasi para maskan ng mga tao na, ay, kailangan ko to. Halina't bumili ng mga di natin kailangan.
So, nagsimula na po mga bagay na hindi kailangan.
Bibili ng mga bagay na hindi natin kailangan. So, nakakita ko nito.
Ano yan, Kunars?
Shrimp
pasted. Follow niyo siya sa Instagram, shrimp pasted.
Shrimp pasted. Crispy shrimp chips.
So, magkano yan?
Parang snack. 4.99.
So, 4.99. Gano'ng ilang grams yan?
I don't know. 125 grams.
125 grams.
Mix yun. Pag tamad ka maghiwa ng garlic, ayan.
This is the key.
This is the key. 7.49. Tapos ilang kilo na to? 1.36 kilograms. Ayan. Purong garlic naman siya.
You're going home to your home country. This one is good to buy. 9.99. So it's 4 pieces. Sarap niyan. Dairy milk. Cadbury. Pants.
How much for that? Mochi. 7 pounds.
7.80. This is one of my favorite chocolates. Ferrero.
How much for that?
Look, oh.
How much?
My gosh. So, it's
15.50. It's like Lin chocolates.
And then, Lin chocolate. So, I usually buy this when I go home to Philippines. Good deal. Ito. This one is famous in Costco. Kirkland almonds. So, tapos, yung almonds lang ay 17.90.
Nutella tab.
Came for Dunkin' Donut coffee, French vanilla. Charot. Kuha tayo niyan, guys.
French vanilla.
Priorities. Ilan bibilin mo, Kunars?
Isa lang ko, nurse.
Ito, guys. Pro tip. Another pro tip. Sangria dito, the best. So, how much is it?
6.58 for 1.5 liters ng sangria. Favorite to favorite. Sobrang sarap. Para ka lang umiinom ng, ano yung sa Pinas?
Yung juice.
Novelino.
Novelino.
Lasa siyang Novelino. Wow.
So, masarap din to. Squid drinks.
Para siyang calamares.
Calamares. Anong pa nga ba calamares? Oo na sa Kunars. Kabayan.
Ano to? Pang isip ulang ideas.
Pag busy ka sa duty.
Pag gutom ka na, galing ka duty, lagay mo sa air fryer. Bumili na mga bagay na natin kailangan.
Cute na mga stuff to.
Cute ng squishmallows. Mura na kasi siya, 15 lang. Pero, titingin lang tayo, hindi pa tayo bibili. Kasi, hindi naman natin siya kailangan. Once lang, once. Pag wala kang kayakap sa gabi.
Ayaw niya ng bitawan, guys. Pero ang cute kasi. Bili ba tayo nito?
Ayoko.
Baka sinuli dun sa loob nito eh. Ay, wala na, warat na.
Sinulit eh. Ayan po yung presyo yung lalagyanan ng sinulid ni Mama.
Wala, no VAT on this item.
Yan po yun. Mga Apple products. Mga appliances.
Mahal? 950 na? Ang favorite. Baka naman po, may magregalo. Ayun o, food processor. Nabasag po niya.
Anak ko masyado nagtututuro, anak.
Wala yung pera.
Appliances. Tita Eros.
Oh, wala si Henry. Ayun o. Ayun na madami bumbo. Si Henry. May na-like this one. Si Henry. It's Costco. So yeah, may taga-abot ako. She's giving me what to haul. So this is the Dunkin' Donut coffee. French vanilla. Oh my god. Makeup yan.
How much?
I forgot it. Where's the receipt? So if you've tasted the Dunkin' Donut coffee, especially the French vanilla, this is a must.
5.90.
So ayan yung receipt, guys. So this is 5.99 each. But you guys can check it out on website, but it's actually cheaper, less expensive in Costco. Yeah. So next one. So I bought this one, Youth Theory collagen pills. It's like a 17.99. But it lasts me a year. I bought my old one last year. And it's almost finishing, so I bought a new bottle. And this one, so I feel like my teeth are not clean. So I bought another Oral-B Clean Peeling. Ganito guys, so floss kayo. So it's 6.99, diba? So it's like £1 each kasi it's 6 pieces. Ayan. Next, of course, after the floss, you need to brush your teeth. So mega pack. So 6 pieces. So big. It's quite heavy actually. So I hope it will last a year, maybe a few months, you know. So it's 14.99. Thank you sa friend ko. She's helping me out with this haul. So 14.99 for 6 pieces. So next one. So Dima doesn't like this one, but I like this one because it's easy. Because I cook all the time. So it's easier for me to cook if I have this garlic. Favorite ko to. 7. Filipino accent. Say it again.
Say it again, Dexter.
This 7.49. Yeah, this big garlic. Yan siya, guys. Kirkland. Diba? So, usually this is Kirkland brand because it's American. So, I bought this one. Gaya-gaya ko eh. Ingitera ko. So, I also bought Andrex washlet. So, what is this? So it's wipes. You can actually flush this as well in the toilet. So it's a must, you know. It's 9.49. So there's 12 pieces. It's good for a year. Yeah, maybe a year.
More than a year.
Or more than a year.
Depends on how you use it.
Yeah, depends how you use it. Or if you constantly use it when you go out, you even wipe your hands or whatever. Okay, so this. So, clog na kasi yung ano namin, guys. So, kaya, I bought this, Mr. Muscle. Yan. So, two pieces na siya. 2 bottles.
4.99.
So, it's just 4.99. Usually, when I buy sa off-license, so each is like 2.5, ganun. Or 3, even 3, usually. And this is just 4.99. So, good deal. Diba?
That's our Costco haul.
That's our Costco haul.
Costco and Danam haul.
So, if you like our videos, please, I beg, Char.
Please. So, this is the receipt.
So, please like and subscribe in our channel. And you can hit the notification bell so you'll get notified every time we have a new video. Thank you for watching. Again, shout out. Kasi nagpapa-shoutout yung mga tao. Shout out to my family, to my friends in Cardinal Santos Medical Center, Sama Medical Center, friends in Philippines, friends in UK who keep sharing our stories, you know, and who's supporting us all the way, you know. Thank you guys. Bye.